Hi, everyone. Welcome. Let's take a few minutes to ease into this new week together. I'm going to invite you to start by finding a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. If you're sitting, allow your spine to stay straight and long, and lean back against something for support. If you're in a chair, plant your feet firmly on the floor and feel the ground beneath you. Feel it supporting you. If you're lying down, let your body rest fully. Or if your palms facing down beside you, completely support it. Now I'm going to ask you to close your eyes or lower them to a soft gaze. In this moment, I want you to begin by simply noticing your breath. No need to change it, just observe it. Observe the inhale and the exhale. Again, observe the inhale and the exhale. I want you to let yourself arrive here fully. With each breath in, feel your body gently rise. And with each breath out, feel it soften. There's nowhere else you need to be, and there's nothing that you need to do. Allow this moment to just be for you. If your mind starts to wander, that's okay. Just bring your awareness back to your breath. So I'm going to invite you again to inhale. You'll take a deep inhale through your nose and hold it for a second and exhale. And when you exhale, I want you to force all of the air out. So again, you'll inhale and hold it for a second. And then exhale. With each breath in, invite calm. So again, inhale. Hold it and exhale. With each breath out, release tension. Again, inhale. Invite in calm at this moment, and then exhale and release tension. Let this moment be your soft reset. I want you to breathe in clarity. Take that deep breath in. Hold it. And then breathe out, overwhelm. I want you to take the next breath in, and this time breathe in focus. And when you exhale, breathe out pressure. I want you to know that you're doing enough and you are enough. Take a breathe in. Breathe in clarity and exhale any overwhelm that you may be feeling. And let yourself be held by this stillness, even if just for a moment. Just feel the stillness. Now, I want you to gently bring your awareness back to your body and wiggle your fingers and wiggle your toes. And notice the support, the ground beneath you. And when you're ready, slowly open your eyes or lift your gaze. I want you to carry this moment, this feeling of calm with you throughout the day. And I thank you for taking the time to meditate with me. Thank you.